Hi friends, and welcome to Victor's Reality. Today we're going to be unboxing and reviewing the Razer Opus wireless ANC headset. It's a THX certified Bluetooth AAC Qualcomm aptX headphone, and it's in midnight blue, my favorite color. And let's see here, let's look at the box. And let's look at all the information. It comes with a carrying case, that's really cool. It's THX certified, of course, for high fidelity sound. It has an autoplay, auto pause feature to stop and start media seamlessly, active noise cancellation with quick attention mode to block out background noise while staying aware of your surroundings. Engineered for comfort for long hours of wear, and it has a portable design with a 3.5mm jack for greater convenience when traveling. This headphone looks amazing. It's Razer's first, as you can see here, wireless THX certified headset equipped with best-in-class active noise cancellation. I hope it has enough bass like the Sony headphones, because I like the bass. So let's unbox this and let's see how well it performs. And the case looks good. A lot of headphones don't come with cases, but this one does. And right here it says, Razer, immerse yourself in the ultimate audio experience anywhere. So that's really cool, from the co-founder, CEO, and creative director of Razer. So let's get this guy open. Let's see, anything else? Nope. Alright. Cannot wait to see the quality of this headphone. What's this? Let's see the manual and instructions. Okay, Razer Opus. Yep, it shows you all the features. You're going to have to download the Opus app from the Apple Store or Google Play Store to get the equalizer function to work, but we'll try that in a bit. Goes to show you what you can do: auto pause, ambient awareness, active noise cancellation, all this stuff. So make sure you read your booklets if you choose to get this headphone. Forget the noise, and right here it shows to charge it, turn on wireless, and for wired mode, all included. So let's see here. You guys ready? I'm ready. Here we go. Ooh, midnight blue. I like midnight blue. I like midnight blue. I mean, everyone has the standard, black headphones, which are cool. I mean, I have a lot of headphones that are usually black. But man, to have it, this is like RoboCop. Check it out. See? Goes together. Awesome. And it's not like a super light blue, it's a nice metallic blue. Alright, what else is here? We have a USB-C USB charger, connection, so you can connect to your computer or to another device. And here is the jack. So these are the accessories that come with it. 2-prong 3.5mm, and this is the 3.5mm cable. You can see. Put this guy right here. What's this? There's something else in here. And a USB-C connection cable. So there we have it with the case. Really nice case. Again, it comes with it. A lot of headphones don't come with it. This one does. Super cool and convenient. Get your money's worth, right? So let's see here with the headphones themselves. All right, man, the blue looks nice. So as you can see with the headphones, nice padding, nice and firm, nice and soft. It's not like flimsy foam, it's nice foam. Here are the ear cups, ear padding. Looks good, feels soft. Material is really soft though, really, really soft. But look at the Razer logo. As you can see, no RGB to be found anywhere. And as you can see, here are the buttons. NC ambient, the power, the jack, USB charging, plus, minus, and pause buttons. Really cool, you guys. See how much you can extend it. What is this made out of? Metal? Yep. So you can see. Really cool. Let's see how it feels. I'm putting it on my head right now. Ooh, nice and light, nice and snug. Very cool. Wow. Awesome, awesome. And I like this blue. This blue looks really cool, you guys. Look at that. It's a subtle blue. It's nice metallic. Man, I like this headphone a lot. Looks really cool. And it goes good with the Razer Base Station Chroma headphone holder. So let's open the app and let's check that out and see how that works. So all you got to do is download the Razer Opus app from the Google Play Store or App Store from Apple. And let's just see here. It's going to connect. The headphone is on. And there you go. Simple as that. As you can see, all the THX amplified vocal, enhanced bass, enhanced clarity presets. And here is the Razer Opus connected. Auto shut off, auto pause and resume. You could have it auto shut off if you want to, or just have it off and not have it shut off. FAQ, master guide, the guide is in here, and the about section, just like the Sony headphones where you can change the equalizer. This is their equalizer presets. And I have heard these and tried them. THX and amplified are the best. I kind of like enhanced clarity also. The enhanced bass just pushes the bass a little too high and it's just a little bit muddy, but nothing bad or anything. The enhanced clarity sounds really nice to me if you want to just, keep everything down. You can see these are the presets. THX, amplified, vocal, enhanced bass, enhanced clarity. I like enhanced clarity and THX. I'm probably going to leave it on THX. Amplified just brings the mids too high for me. I just don't like that much. THX sounds, overall the best in my opinion. I would say for the quality and comfort that you're getting, they are worth it comparing it to other headphones. I don't really like the NC, the noise cancellation. I just don't like that feature on any of my headphones, so I'm just being honest with you guys. It does do the job, and there is a nice curve. It doesn't just do like the Bose headphones where they just snap and they just hurt your ear, when you shut it off or you turn it on. These don't do that. These kind of like a wave on and off. That's a really cool feature. I wish every headphone had that, but these have it, so it's really easy on the ear. This material, look, it's really soft, really soft, and it is breathable, so you can see. It's one of the best materials I have ever felt on a headphone ear cup. The ear padding is sufficient, and again, the top headband padding is sufficient. It's thick. It's like this line right here, the stitching, that's where it begins. So there is a lot, and it's all padding. You can see it right there. A lot of companies just flims out and they just give you this much. No, this is the whole thing. From right here to right here, everything is plush and soft. That is awesome. And I love my Razer products. I have almost everything in my desk is Razer, and it's awesome to finally get some headphones with the Razer brand and to compare it and really see if they can match the Nari Ultimates that I have. Those are haptic feedback. Those are just for video games, and those you really want to put those for music. But these, I have heard a couple of songs, and I could say 100% it's a buy. It's really nice. But the headphones that I think that are compared to these are the Sony WXB900Ns. They are close in price, and basically you're getting the Sony name brand versus a Razer brand that is not known for headphones. in the sense of noise cancellation lifestyle headphones like they're saying. But hey, I like this blue. It matches my style. I like the sound signature. I like the THX. Fits perfectly on, as you can see here, the Razer base station chroma. Looks awesome. It's gonna look awesome on the desk. Easy to use with the Razer app. Unfortunately, I won't be able to show you the sound quality as I don't have the equipment to test that. And just to give you a quick summary on the headphones that I own, that I use every single day, I prefer to use the Razer Opus headphones. Reason being, it's lighter, it's easier on my ears with the noise cancellation if you want to use it. The THX preset for me is perfect because it brings the sound closer to me. The sound is a little bit distant. The bass here is just, this is a bass headphone, so I'm not going to compare that. I would say the Sony do have more bass than the Razer, but I'm talking about, and forget about Beats. I'm not talking about Beat headphones. I'm talking about real bass. The Sony ones are pronounced for that, and that's why I got those headphones. These are the haptic feedback ones that I use for gaming, Battlefield and Forza. You could actually hear the motors and everything in your ear, but the battery is really bad with these. With the Razer headphones, they give you 25 hours of battery life, and the weight is 265 grams with a Bluetooth version of 4.2, just in case you were wondering, that's what it was for. And also the microphones are 4 hybrid active noise cancellation microphones for that feature. But again, I'm just showing you, these are the headphones that I use every single day. And the Razer headphones, compared to the Sony, which they're both wireless, this has a smaller ear pad. As you can see, they're smaller. They give enough bass because they're, you know, plush, super plush. They're more plush than the Razer, but you see, these smaller ear cups, my ears tend to get a little bit more hot with these, but these headphones have never failed me, and they provide so much bass. It's unbelievable with these guys. But the Razer is an amazing piece of headphone just because it's wireless. You get so much sound quality. It looks really cool. There is no RGB, unfortunately, for all those people that need that RGB in their life, like me. But this is just an unboxing and my review and opinion on these headphones. I love these headphones. It's going to be awesome to use these daily. And stick around. Again, I'm going to be comparing them to the Sony WXB900N very soon on the channel, and they are very close in price, and that will be the true test, comparing those headphones to these, so you can make your buying decision a lot easier. So if you found this video helpful, please leave a like, share, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss out on a future video. See you guys next time.